Hi my friends, it's Ian back again, and I'm going to show you a neat little trick for your thank you page. I'm always getting asked, is there a way to redirect somebody to the page that I want them to see, the offer that I want them to see, the ebook that I want them to see, as soon as they've hit that confirmation link? Okay, and there is a method. We can do this on the thank you page. So let us go to the campaign that we've been working with, and this is the baby. Okay, so that's the campaign. It's all to do with Buildabizonline. Now what we can do on the settings page is put a snippet of code. Okay, so thanks for your interest. Where are we? Sorry, thanks for your interest. There's an email on the way now. Okay, so that's the baby. So what we can do is we can put a snippet of code in here to redirect them to the page or the offer or the ebook or whatever within a few seconds. Okay, and it'll have a countdown timer on it. Okay, and what it is, what we need to do, and the code is underneath this video. Okay, so what we need to do is rid ourselves of that. Okay, and the code is in text form just under the video and looks like this. Okay, so this is the crux of it. Okay, it will say, and please don't get daunted with this, you've only got to alter two things in here. Okay, hi, thanks for your interest, so you can make that out just there. You will be redirected shortly. Okay, you could add a little bit more text in there, but don't alter any of these tags. Okay, it's all gobbledygook, I know, but so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. So all you need to do is to copy this, okay, and paste it. Don't forget to click source and paste it in there. So Control V, excuse me, Control V. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's it now. Okay, so this is a special little page. Now what you need to do is to alter from here to there. Okay, nowhere else. You need to put the link that you want them to go to in there. Okay, the default is buildabizonline.com, so I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, what I might do is this. I will put question mark, build a biz. Okay, so that's it. That is my unique affiliate link at Buildabizonline. Now, this is set so that when they hit the thank you page, it will be 14 seconds before it redirects them. Now, this is the downside of this. Okay, I would only alter it to 10, because when you come into the settings page of the campaign that you are adding this, it will give you 10 seconds to scroll down to the thank you section and hit that source. If you don't, it will redirect, and you will see that website on this particular HTML editor, this WYSIWYG editor. Okay, so that's the downside. So you'll only have 10 seconds. So if you was to put that down to 1 second, it will work. As soon as they see the thank you page, boof. But you will not be able to alter it again, because no way can you get to the settings and the thank you page and hit this source button in 1 second. If you can do that, let me know and we'll put you in the next Olympics. Okay, so keep it at 10. Right, now let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to click update and I'll show you what happens. Look, so watch this. Look down at the thank you page. This is exactly what they will see. Okay, and after 10 seconds, see, you got plenty of time to do it now. It'll take them to the page that you want them to go to. Right, now then, now that we've got that in there, we need to test it. Otherwise, what we're doing is purely a waste of time. Now, first of all, what I need to do, I'm going to click on, not mail, come on in, your subscribers in the demo campaign. And there it is, and I'm going to delete myself. Okay, now I've already had the first message, so that's good. So it's working. You can see that it's worked. I've already had the first message, and that they always come out. The first message always comes to the visitor or the person that's filled in the form on the hour. Remember that. Okay. So we're going to go down to the campaigns, and I am going to try this to see if it works, and you will see exactly what happens. So we're going to click on the capture page. I'm going to put that same name in there because remember I've deleted it, and that's the way to keep testing things. Delete yourself out of the responder. Now let's just have a look what's going to happen now. So we click on there and it takes you to thanks for your interest. A message has been sent to your email. So you've got to go over there and you've got to check it. Now I've just had a vibration in my pocket, so it could mean, and it's not showing there just yet, so just 1 second. Is it going to show me? Let's log into it and then see if it's showing. It happens straight away normally, but when you're making videos, so there we have it again. So let's have a look at that. I've received a payment, which is really, really good, so that has to go in my PayPal. Right, now then, that's what we're after, making money online. So let's have a look. It's told me that somebody's just subscribed to the campaign Buildabizonline. Okay, so that's good. Let's just click on that. Can you see this? When you're sending emails to yourself, you get this dirty grey orange thing that Google, oh, they're so panicky. So Ian Stewart opted in, and that is the person's email address. Okay, so we can delete that. Now then, the confirmation email. So what happens now when we hit the confirmation link? Okay, so let's click on that, and it takes us to, hi, thanks for your interest. You will be redirected shortly. You can add more text in there if you wish. And then after 10 seconds, where does it take us? To my Buildabizonline affiliate page. So that is how to redirect somebody to the offer, the service, the ebook that you want them to see within 10 seconds of their confirmation click. Okay, so the code is down below, and I've showed you how to do it. Any problems, don't forget, I am always here. Well, I'm offline at the moment because I'm making a video in case anybody needs help. Okay, when you see that, that means you can send me an email. When you see that I am online in there, you can text me live. Okay, Ian signing out. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.